Personally, I can only speak for myself. In every game, whether Ghana, Europe, everywhere, my motivation and my approach is the same, which is to help the team win. And yes, with being one of the names they look out for in most of the games, everyone is quite important in the squad, whether on the bench or whatsoever. Like you saw against Mali, it's the guys from the bench that came to win the game. So everyone deserves the same respect and then motivation just as us. So we are all a team, It's the point that matters, Whether I score anyone or however I perform, the most important thing is that the team wins and then we keep improving as players. So personally, I try to do my best in every place I find myself. We started playing from here in Ghana, so there's no excuses in. And it's difficult here, the weather and all of that. There's things that come into play, but the opponent feels the same as well. So there's no excuse for that. But in every game, I just try to do my best for the country and the team to get the 3 points. First of all, personally, I can only speak for myself.